Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best doorbell extender is probably one of the most overlooked smart home gadgets, but it can make a huge difference in your daily life. If you've ever missed a visitor because you couldn't hear your doorbell, then you know the frustration. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of doorbell extenders for wired doorbells, exploring how they work and why you might need one. Number 5. RC3030D Wireless Doorbell Extender with Receiver. Tired of missing the doorbell? This device connects to your existing hardwired doorbell. It extends the range, so you can hear it in your garage or basement. The extender wires directly onto your existing doorbell chime box. This makes setup simple and straightforward. You'll be up and running in no time. Enjoy a range of up to 500 feet from the chime to the receiver. This ensures you won't miss a visitor, no matter where you are in your home. The receiver features both low and high volume adjustments. This allows you to customize the sound to your preference and environment. This product is UL and CUL listed and FCC and IC compliant. It also comes with a limited 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. What we like. This extender is designed to work with your existing hardwired doorbell. It simply connects to your current chime box, extending the range of your doorbell. If you have a large home or often find yourself in areas where you can't hear your doorbell, this is a great choice. It ensures you never miss a visitor, no matter where you are in your house. What people say. The Chime extender is a great product. It was easy to install and works perfectly. The Chime extender works great and is easy to set up. Number 4. Safeguard Supply ERA-Extend-A-Chime Wireless Doorbell Extender. Tired of your old wired doorbell? This kit easily converts it into a wireless system. It extends the range up to 3-4 miles. The setup is simple. Just plug it in and it's ready to use. It's a convenient solution for your home. With a 433 MHz frequency, it ensures a strong signal. This allows it to work effectively across a long distance. The chime is rated at 95 dB. You won't miss a visitor, as it's designed to be loud and clear. This product is engineered in the USA and comes with unique features. It stands out from other wireless doorbell extenders. Please note that it is not compatible with video doorbells. It is designed for standard doorbell systems. What we like. This product stands out with its unique and useful features. It boasts an impressive range, ensuring reliable performance across your property. If you're looking for a high-quality, feature-rich solution, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want the best in wireless doorbell extension technology. What people say. Product is easy to install with existing wired doorbell. It magnifies the sound and you can plug the remote unit into any free electric plug you desire. Prior to installing I could only hear my doorbell within 20 feet of the wall unit, now I call hear it throughout the house. Had the unit for a week and it functions perfectly. 10-minute install including time spent choosing notification sounds. The optional flashing strobe is also a bonus. Needed additional volume and this product certainly delivered. This combination really works. Wire transformer to current wired doorbell, adjust the receiver and plug it in, voila. The directions are a little vague, but not too hard to figure out. I even bought a second receiver for another room, it works too. Number 3. RC3030D Extend-A-Chime. Introducing the RC3030D Extend-A-Chime. It's a simple and effective solution for extending your doorbell's range. This easy-to-use kit is designed to make your life easier. This product is incredibly easy to set up. You simply plug it in, and it's ready to go. It's a convenient way to ensure you never miss a visitor. The Extend-A-Chime is designed for simplicity. It requires no complicated installation or technical knowledge. It's user-friendly and ready to use right out of the box. This product is manufactured in China. It's built with quality and designed to provide reliable performance. You can trust it to work when you need it. With the RC3030D Extend-A-Chime, you can extend the range of your doorbell. It's a great way to ensure you hear the chime throughout your home. Get yours today. What we like. This is a simple plug-in extender, making setup a breeze. It's designed for ease of use, getting you up and running quickly. If you want a straightforward, no-fuss solution, this is a great option. It's ideal for those who value simplicity and ease of installation. What people say. The Chime extender is very easy to install. The Chime extender works perfectly. It was easy to set up and works great. Number 2. Safeguard Supply EX1000S, Wireless Doorbell Extender Kit. The EX1000S easily turns your doorbell chime into an expandable wireless doorbell. You can add extra receivers as needed. This makes it simple to extend the range and functionality of your doorbell. Quickly add additional extra loud doorbell flashing wireless plug-in receivers. This is perfect for larger homes or those who need a louder notification. It ensures you never miss a visitor. With a 1,000-foot wireless range, the signal traverses floors and walls. This provides reliable coverage throughout your property. It ensures you're always aware of someone at your door. It's an excellent way to turn your door chime into a doorbell for the hearing impaired or deaf. The flashing lights and loud sounds make it easy to know when someone is at the door. It provides added safety and convenience. What we like. This extender allows you to keep your existing wired doorbell chime. It also offers a long range and can be expanded with additional receivers. If you have a hearing impairment or need a solution that can be easily expanded, this is the perfect solution. It ensures you never miss a visitor, no matter your needs. What people say. Works great. The ringer on this unit offers a choice of several doorbell ring sounds plus your choice of a flashing indicator light, great for getting your attention. The sending unit easily wires into your home's doorbell. Number 1. Safeguard Supply EX1000 Doorbell Extender Kit. Are you tired of missing important visitors or deliveries? This extender kit ensures you're always aware. It's designed to help you stay connected, no matter where you are in your home or yard. This wireless kit easily extends the range of your existing doorbell. Simply add the repeater and place the receiver where you need it most. It's a simple solution for a common problem. Whether you're in the basement, shed, or even at a neighbor's house, this device has you covered. The receiver ensures you hear the chime, no matter where you are. It's perfect for various locations. The kit easily wires into your current doorbell system. The receiver can be battery operated or plugged in. It's designed for ease of use and quick setup. This kit also includes a flashing strobe receiver. This feature is especially helpful for those with hearing impairments. It provides a visual alert when someone rings your doorbell. The receiver has adjustable volume control and a flashing strobe that you can turn on or off. This gives you complete control over the alerts. Customize it to fit your needs. What we like. This extender makes it easy to add more chime receivers, ensuring you hear your doorbell from anywhere. It offers wide coverage, perfect for large properties or areas with limited visibility. If you need a reliable and expandable solution, this is the best choice. It's ideal for those who want to ensure they never miss a visitor, regardless of their location. What people say. It is easy to install. The transmitter is small and mounts easily next to the original chime. The receiver can be either battery operated or you can use an AC adapter. There are multiple sounds from which to choose, and the volume is adjustable. We were only able to hear our doorbell on our main floor and we have 3 floors. This works great. Lots of choices of ring tone, and you can have a different ring tone for front door, back door, etc. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.